Hello everybody, welcome to another Yu-Gi-Oh! Box opening. I haven't done this for quite a long while, so let's open it. I've been wanting this box for ages. Yeah. Love opening Yu-Gi-Oh! Boxes like these. It's just so expensive. This one is actually really expensive. Like, normally they cost like £60, depending on the box obviously, but this one's like £90. Because it's a special one of those special ones. Even though they sell less cards than them, they sell for more money because it's special. It gives you the best order or guaranteed for the special rarity of quarter century rare. And there we go. Oh, it's this way, isn't it? There you go. That's how it would be displayed, wouldn't it? So it's just opening them all, of course, and then oh, look how much easier. Anyway, we have Trap Trick. We have Fire King Island. Sacred Phoenix of Nephthys. We got Vax, Dragon Ruler of Builder. And we got Branded Opening. Keep on opening like that. I've just been really used for Pokemon because I've been opening a lot of Pokemon cards in camera. Hey, another Dragon Ruler card. They used to be banned, but they're not anymore. And that's a cool one. And there you go. These are fun to open. It's always been fun to open. That's why I like to get these, even though they're a lot of money. Okay. Curse, Seal of the Forbidden Spell, and I got Ultimate Offering, a card that I actually always wanted for some reason. Even though it's banned, I always wanted this card. And now I got it in quarter century rare, I think. Is it? I don't know what it is now. This is a cool card. And that's another cool card. There you go. So that's my first banned card I got from this pack. There's actually quite a few banned cards in this pack, which is cool to have for a collection. I hope I get a Questable charity, because I don't have one of those. Branded Opening. Landry Dragon Maid. Another banned card. Because I remember seeing this in Master Duel. Flaundries used it. I never used it myself because even though I did play Flaundries at one point, I got banned before I actually got to use it. But anyway, neither player can special summon monsters if a card is sent from the deck or the field to your graveyard. Destroy this card. Got another Floodgate card. Swap Frog. Pretty good card there. Yeah, I think what's it called? It used to be better a long time ago, about a few years ago, 2022, with what's it called? Sprites, but not anymore. Not this card. Anyway, I dislike this card. I think this shouldn't have been unbanned. It's not a fun card to play against. That should be good, even though it's not doing anything right now. It's not a fun card to play against, so it should not be in the game. Anyway. Another one. Failed Raven. Not a banned card. I got quite another Thunder Dragon card, which is kind of cool to get. It's just so much easier to open than Pokemon cards. Some of them. Oh, Wanted. That's actually a really good card. Still think it's being used now. I think. And I got another one. I think it's Wind Blast, and Clockwork Tower, and Cyber Mining. These are really. I'm having a lot of fun with it. It's so much fun to open. I'm glad I spent money on this. Yep, Royal Rivalry of the Warlords. What was this one say? Each player can only control one type of monster. Send all other face-up monsters they control to the graveyard. That's actually pretty decent for Sword Soul. Okay, that is awesome. Hard to actually on, say, 20, whatever it's called. And there's another Laundry Dragon Maid, and just got that card. Again, a lot of those. Another Dragon Ruler. Apparently that was really good at one point, and they had to ban a bunch of them. I've never seen that Danger before. Danger Bigfoot. Another Dragon Ruler. Maybe I can make a Dragon Ruler deck, which isn't good anymore. It's a Battle Creep. Come on. This one's pretty mean. You discard a card, negate the spell, and then either. And if you do that, your opponent cannot activate spells cards with the same name. Well, that's like maybe good or bad, but you know, imagine using that on Runic. Can you use it on a field spell? I think you can use it on a field spell. When a spell card is activated, you can imagine using Runic Fountain. That would be fantastic. I can't even bring it back. If we bring it back, it's just a dead card. We have Red Eye's Insight. Cyber Mining. Elemental Hero Flame Wingman. Not even the retrain, just the original one. But you know, this is something I feel like kind of cool. This is a cool card to have. We already have one though. Six Samurai Unity. United. Okay. Upstart Goblin. Red Eye's Insight. Dragon Maid. Whatever. Low. Pearl. Cool. Another Salaman card. Oh, look. And a card that's another Floodgate. It makes it so all monsters have to be banished, which is not good. Well, for some decks. Some decks can play it. We have House Dragon Maid. That's actually really good. 25th anniversary. I have a sword deck in my life. That's definitely going in there. That is I don't like this card. It's unlimited negates pretty much. Not a good design card. Nameless Lag. Okay. Dragon Ruler. Ghost Reaper and Winter Cherries. That's another card that I have seen before. And of course another one of those cards that should be banned. Should stay banned. Oh, that's actually not a bad card. Oh, we had one of those, but it's still pretty good. And there's a toxic card that should be banned. Okay. Oh, and I got that card as well. That goes with the card that I just got. That's actually really good too. Ah, still no place for charity. Rokeki. That's a pretty good card. I can actually use that card. Okay. Still no place for charity. I'm hoping I get one. I just want one. I don't care what variety it is. I just want one. Yes, there you go. Yep, this card is really... there's actually a thing that's going on, and this card is pretty annoying for my deck. Destroys... Oh, Snake Eyes Flameberg Dragon. That is a cool card. Another cool card. Why do I do that? Okay. Nothing special about it. That's a very cool card. Okay. This is all cool. And still got a few left. I think it's just 4 more left, including the one I'm opening now. Oh, Dark Magician Girl. Dark Magician Girl, the Dragon Knight, wants to be born. And that's another one. If I ever make I think it's not really good anymore, but still, if I ever make a Snake Eyes deck, I'll probably be Viking Snake Eyes. Because I actually enjoy it in Master Duel. But there's actually a certain card that's banned, which makes it not as good. Which is good it's banned because it's probably not, it's just really OP. 3 more to go, but may have miscounted. Dragon Maid again. Dark Bribe. There you go, I was missing it. Swap for Frog. We got the Destiny Hero Malicious. Oh look, we got another Michael Cosmo. This card can be Ash, but there's no point. Right. Last pack. Last chance to get Graceful Charity. I don't think I'm gonna get it though. A Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. That is a cool. Trying to see. I don't think it is actually. It should be though. Whatever variety is cool. And you've got this one. Lord of the Heavenly Prison. No Graceful Charity though. I've got a few cool cards to have. I'm actually going to probably should leave some. Like this one could get unbanned. That one I'll just put on the table. Not really that great a card anymore. It was something to do with gadgets that actually unbanned it. That banned it. Because gadgets just something that just, searches itself, so it searches for different gadgets. And you usually use that card to just keep some of that. But the thing is, it's a trap card, so you have to wait a turn. Or wait when your opponent's battle phase, right? So they're gonna have negates, they're gonna be people will be destroyed, most likely be destroyed before you can actually use it. So it's not a good card anymore. It used to be good, but it's not, because that's not even part of it. I'm trying to look for the card that I was actually wanting to sleep because it probably might be worth a little bit of money. Probably about this one right here. That's probably the one that I think that worth the most, maybe. I don't know. I don't know if is it still equivalent to the meta? I think it is. I did get 2 ban cards, which is interesting. Maybe more than that actually. I don't remember. Cosmo, I don't think Michael Cosmo is banned. So maybe to go to Dark Magician go again. I'm just looking at my cards, just trying to find the card. Not Dark Magician Girl, not Dark Magician Girl, sure not. Where's that? I think, oh, it's like, this one's pretty good to get. And this one, that actually goes together to this one. Actually, this one needs this, and you can search that card I just showed you with this, if you didn't know. Still can't find the Dark Magician Girl because I want to see. I didn't see what rarity. I forgot what rarity it was. I got Dark Magician, the Dragon Knight. Yeah, I think that's kind of cool to have. Here you go with Dark Magician Girl. There you go. And that's one of the special rarities. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think actually this Raigeki is pretty cool to have. Toxic. Yeah, that's pretty cool to have. Even though I already got one of those, probably in the same rarity but a different pack. Like I said, should not have been unbanned. This also should be banned. Probably not actually. Another card that should not have been unbanned is this card. This one's just ridiculous. I can't wait to add it to my Sword Sword deck though. Just a cool card, just not very good at all, but still quite a good, still quite a cool card to have. It would have been better if I got the retrain of it, but that's fine. But this one's pretty good. I think they should release some more support for the Dark Magician, but don't know why they don't. It just makes no sense to me. Because we got the other band card. This stays in the band list forever. Hopefully. I think Konami needs to think about that more. If it's not fun for the opponent, then if it makes the game non-fun for the opponent, then it shouldn't be banned. You can say, oh, the old cards will make. They should ban all cards. No. Back and forth is what makes the card game fun. Taking away abilities or basic stuff isn't that fun for the opponent. Basic rules is not fun. Anyway, probably should not be ranting, but that's just something I believe in. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.